Assalamu alaikum, my dear KG students. How are you all? I hope all of you are fine and good. I am also fine. Today in our math class, I am going to teach you about number from our success book. Children, in our previous class, our topic was money, and in this class our topic was number. So children, today we are going to learn about less than, greater than. Such as, children, look, what is this? 8. And what is this? 15. Children, page number 51. Children, look very carefully. This is 8 and this is 15. So can you say which number is small and which number is bigger or greater? 8 is 8 small than 15 or greater than 15? What do you think? Yes, 8 is smaller than 15. So, greater than, equal to, equal, or in sign we can write less than, greater than, equal to. So children, let's have a look, children. 8 is smaller than 15. So we can write 15 is greater than 8. So we put here greater than sign. 8 is smaller than, so 8 is smaller than 15. So we put here smaller than by less than sign. So 8 is less than, 8 is less than 15 and 11, 10. So between 11 and 10, which one is greater or which one is less? Children, is 10 greater than 11? No, 10 is less than 11 and 11 is greater than 10. So we have to put, or we have to write greater than sign 11. 11 is greater than 10. 11 is greater than 10. And same as, look, 14, here is also 14. 14, same, equal. They are not less than from anyone, not greater than from anyone. They are equal in size. 14. So we put here equal sign. So 14 is equal to 14. Like this, 9. 9 is not less than 9. 9 is not greater than 9. 9 and 9 are same. So we can put here equal sign. 9 equal to 9. Like this, children. In your book, page number 51, you have to do in your book work. Children, look. I do page number 51. greater than, less than. You have to do all this in your book, and I hope you will submit for this. And then in this class I also want to teach you before, after, between. Before, after, between. Children, let me show you in the board. Now I am going to, sometimes before I taught you about greater than, less than, and now I am going to teach you about before, after, between. So children, you can understand very easily this. Before letters, after letters, between letters, between letters. Children, first of all, before letters. Children, look very carefully. Before letters, after letters, between letters. So in this blank you have to write before letter. What is before 19? What is the number letter, or what is the what will be the before letter of 19? Can you say, children? What will be the before letter of 19? 18. Yes, 18. 18, 19. What will be the before letter of 11, children? You have to write the before letter in this box. In this box you have to write the before letter of 11. So what is the before letter of 11? 10. In this box you also have to write the before letter of 13. What will be the before letter of 13, children? 12. Yes, 12 is the before word of 13. Sorry, not letter, it will be the word or number. Sorry children, it will be the number. Okay, and then 19. Now we are going to learn about after number. So 19, what will be the after number of 19? 20. Yes children, 20 is the after number of 19. Then 12. You have to write the after number of 12 in this box. So what will be the after number of 12, children? Can you say? Yes, 13 will be the after number of 12. Now what is this? 17. So children, what will you have to write the after number of 17 in this box. So children, what will be the after number of 17? Yes, 18. 18 is the after number of 17. Like this, we are right here between number. Between number means, look very carefully children, 14 and 16. This is 14 and this is 16. So what will be the between number? 14, 16. What is the between number of 14 and 16? 15. Yes children, 15 is the between number of 16. So you have to write the between numbers in these two numbers. So what is the between number of 15 and 17 children? 15, 17. So what will be the between number of 15 and 17? 16. Yes, 15, 16, 17. 20, 22. So what will be the between number of 20 and 22 children? Yes, 21. 21 is the between number of 20 and 22. Children, I hope you can guess easily. And this will be our homework. Let me show you in the book children. Let me show you in the book this before, after, between. I write for you in this book, and you also have to do the book work. 19 before letter 18, before number 18. 11 before what is the before number of 11? 10. What is the before number of 13? 12. What is the before number of 15? 14. What is the before number of 17? 16. What is the like this? You have to do all these things, all these maths. And after number, what is the after number of 19? 20. What is the after number of 12? 13. What is the after number of 15? 16. What is the after number of 17? 18. What is the after number of 19? 18. Like this between number 10, 12. What is the between number of 10 and 12? 11. What is the between number of 13 and 15? 14. Like this you have to do this page 51. Page number 51. You have to do this book work and will submit. Children, now I am going to write for you. So today's homework, HW, page 51, greater than, less than, equal to, plus, before, after, between. Children, this is your today's homework in book work. I hope you can see easily and you can understand easily. So children, I hope you will submit this homework in the book.